To make the apple cinnamon rabri, we will boil 1 liter full fat milk on low flame. You will be heating the milk for about 60 to 90 minutes till the milk is reduced to half. Once you have cooled it and kept it aside for a while, it should be about room temperature. Then we'll pour it in a bigger bowl. To that, you'll add 1 tablespoon of stevia. Currently, I'm using the Diabetic Chef all natural stevia powder. To that, we'll be adding half a large apple. And then we'll be adding blanched and sliced almonds to this mixture. To this, we'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now, there are a lot of health benefits of cinnamon powder. It is fantastic for people living with diabetes. Once you've mixed this well, you gotta refrigerate it for about 2 to 3 hours. Then you can serve it chilled. Here's an apple cinnamon rabri you can serve to all your guests during Diwali, and you can have it guilt-free.